So we are going to do another problem in J2 in LeetCode. Okay, let's sort it out. Okay, we know array and string only. Okay, it might be both array and string combined, or just array alone, or just string alone. Okay, we can just set the difficulty to easy. Okay, let's keep like this. Okay, we should try easy for 3 days and advanced for 2 days and hard for 1 day. Okay, in this topic, and after learning one by one topics, we are going to move to the topics also. Okay, so I'm just going to pick one random. Okay, we got like check distance between same letters. You are given a zero indexed string, yes, consisting of only lowercase English letters, where each letter in yes appears exactly twice. Okay, you are also given zero indexed array, distance of length 26. Okay, each letter in the alphabet is numbered from 0 to 25. That is A means 0, B means 1, C means 2, okay, Z means 25. In a well-spaced string, the number of letters between the two occurrence of the ith letter is distance of I. If the ith letter does not appear in S, then distance of I can be ignored. Return true if S is a well-spaced string, otherwise false. Okay, let me see the example they have given. S equal to ABA. CCB distance is 1. Okay, what explanation they have given is A appears at index 0 and 2, so it satisfies distance of 0, 1. B appears at indices 1 and 5, so it satisfies distance of 1. Okay, C appears at indexes like 3 and 4, so it satisfies the distance of 2 equal to 0. Distance of 2 equal to 0, 0 and 2. Note that distance 3 equal to 5, but since D does not appear in S, it can be ignored. Return true because S is a well-spaced string. Okay, let's see the example 2. S is equal to A distance like 1, 0. Okay, A appears at indices 0 and 1. So there are 0 letters between them because distance of 0 is equal to 1. S is not a well-spaced string. Okay, let me try to understand the question. Okay, if we see the question deeply, we can understand the question as let's understand the question first. For example, they have given a string like this, ABA, CCB, okay, and an array like this. You mean distance equal to 1, 3, 0, 5, 0 up to 25, okay, 25th index. Okay, so it is returning true. Why? Because what is this means? A and A. Okay, we have 2 A's and between 2A we have only 1 B. I mean it doesn't mean like only B. There is only one letter. Between 2 A's there is only one letter, so we are writing it as 1. And if you see, here is a B and here is a B. Okay, so while looking through these B's, we have 3 letters in between, so that we are writing it as 3 here. Okay, just ignore this. Okay, and again if we see the letter C, we are having like 0. Okay, but why 0? Because there is no letter between this, so this is why we have no letter between them, and we have like 0. And another one element is like 5, but there is no element called D. Okay, we have only A, B, C. So if we have D, we can calculate this. So if we don't have D here, so we are not going to calculate this. Okay, so we understood the question like this first, and okay, let's see how we can solve. So we have A, B, A, C, C, B, and we have array like 1, 3, 0, 5, 0. Okay, so we are going to check A. We are going to loop through this way. Okay, we have to take one by one. So A, B, A, C, C, B. Okay, we are going to take this one by one. So if I take A, I will count this. Okay, I will loop through this and I will count until it reaches A. So if it is A, I will stop this. Up to that I have to count it. Okay, count equal to 1, because there is A. Before A we are counting one thing, so it adds like 1. Okay, and we are going to B. Okay, here it is B, so we are going to count until B. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is B, so we are stopping it. Okay, and we are making the count as 3, because 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we are going to A. So here is the real problem, because here is A, we have a finish line like another A, but this A has no finishing line, because this is actually finishing line. But we know that. How come computer know? So that we are going to write a logic for this. So what means, we are going to initialize a thing called repeated string. Okay, repeated. We can keep it empty at first. So whenever we get the letter, we are going to add it. Okay, repeated string equal to repeated string plus that letter. Okay, I mean A. So we are each and every time we are taking the letter, we are going to check whether if A is inside the repeated string, means we don't have to count it again. So we will continue this. That means we will skip this. Okay, so this is what so if you take B, this B in the repeated string, there won't be B at initial stage, so it will count this. So if it is already present, it will not count this. Okay, so it will just ignore. So we are going to do this process for the whole thing. So what we are going to do? So step 1, we are going to loop through this. Looping. Step 2, take letter one by one because of looping. Step 3, what we are going to do means, we are checking the letter if it is inside the repeated string. Okay, step 4, if it is not, we are going to count until the letter is repeated. Step 5, the count is checked with the array. Okay, step 6, if it is repeated, we are going to ignore. Okay, so finally what we are going to do means, so only one distance is alone not enough to make it as 2. So we have to check every distance. Okay, that means the count and the array number should be same in each iteration. Okay, if not, we are breaking the loop and we will just return false. Okay, this is what the actual logic is. So let's implement it. So now we are going to perform the code according to the logic we have done. Okay, I just put some extra test case and I just run and solve it. So you can add the test case here and you can put whatever test case you need and you can just run. Okay, let's solve. Okay. So first of all we have to loop through this string int I is equal to 0, I less than s dot length of, okay, and I plus plus. So we are going to loop through each character. Before that, what we have said, we are going to initialize a string called repeater. Okay, we can name this like this. So we are going to take like a letter. We can take a letter char c is equal to s dot char of I. So in this we are looping through each and everything. Okay, and we are making it like if c if rep dot contains of c. So what we are checking here means if repeated is containing the c means we have to run this, but what we have to do, so if it contains we have to continue the loop, I mean we have to skip this, or else what we are going to do, so we are going to continue the loop. We are going to write another loop because this loop is for taking this word. Okay, like for example if it is like a c means this loop is for iterating like a comma b comma c, okay, one by one. Okay, and this loop is like, so if we take the letter a and we have to loop it from the b, okay, we should not take this a itself, so we are going to separately take this loop and we are going to loop it these sentence, I mean these letters. Okay, so for int j is equal to, we should not write here a 0 because we are not going to take the letter, we are going to take the letter after I. Okay, I in the sense if we take letter a we are going to loop it after a, so that we are writing like I plus 1 and j less than, so it should also run up to length and j plus plus. Okay, so we are going to initialize a count int count is equal to 0. So if we are going to write if s star, wait, I am just copying this. Wait, I just made some mistake. Copy. So we are going to check if s dot character of I equal to s dot character of j. Okay, we are going to write like not equal to, so if both are not equal we are going to increase the count to plus 1. Okay, else we are going to break this loop. Okay, sorry, break this loop. We don't want to check the whole thing, okay, because once we reached it we are going to break it. Okay, so after breaking this loop we are going to check whether if count equal to distance of k. So what is k plus plus here? So we are going to initialize k as 0. Okay, so it will increase automatically, like distance of 0, distance of 1, distance of 2 once it enters this condition. Okay, so if count equal to distance of k plus plus means, so if both are equal, so if both are equal, we are going to what we are going to do. So if both are equal, we are going to make I mean, like, we can keep this something like boolean flag. So initially it can be like true. Okay, so if both are equal, we don't have to do anything because it's like true. So we have to modify only if it is not true. So if both count and distance are not equal, so we are going to make this flag as false, and we are just going to break this. Okay, break this loop. So if we break this, the total for loop will get break, and we can return what is in the flag. Okay. So this is what we have done. So let's check whether our code runs or not. Okay, let's hope it will run better. Okay, if it has any mistake, we can solve it together. What is this? Char cannot be converted into char sequence. Contains of C. I mean, I'm thinking so. The problem we have faced yesterday. Why it's false? It's completely returning always false. Okay, wait, let's check where the loop ends. Yeah, the loop is ending here. Okay, we can check the count and distance. Okay, we can print the count and TLN. We are going to print both the count and distance. Okay, distance equal to distance of k. Okay, let's check it. Okay, count equal to 3 but distance equal to 5. Why? It's going only once inside this. Okay, okay, this. We are not having this count. Wait, how it is going inside this? Okay, okay, let's check this too. Okay, system dot out dot print. We can print this also. Okay, we can print both rep and this rep dot contains. We can print this C also. Okay, because we have to do like this. I mean, we are like just debugging the error. So let's see what happens. Why this is being to 1, the distance is 2. Why it is? Why it is not printing this? Because we already know that it have to print. Okay, let's check this. Oh, we didn't add this itself. Okay, because after checking this, we didn't update the string. Okay, I mean repeatable string. We didn't update it, so that only it is causing some kind of mistake. Okay. So once done, we are going to make this. Okay, red plus equal to C. Okay, let's check now. Yeah, this is what I just expected. So now it became, see, because of one small mistake we're getting like something error. uh, okay, let's remove these system dot output it out. Okay, because it will consume like more memory to, sorry, it will consume time. Okay, let's check now, and we have to pause when we are submitting it. So if it doesn't submit, so that's not our real code. Okay. Oh my god, it's like a wrong answer. Oh my god, here comes the real big problem. Okay. It has like is it only, but distance equal to my, our output is true. Okay, let's add this test case. Okay, why it's not running, we can see. So it's returning true only because there is nothing here, but why it. Hmm. Okay, wait, I'll check the error and I'll come to you soon. Okay, I just found out what happened. Because see here, like we are having A and we are having a zeroth index as one. For example, A is in zeroth index and the zeroth index has its answer. Okay, B is in the first index and first index has its answer. So it is expecting us to check Z in the 25th index. So what we are going to do means we are not just going to take like k randomly. Okay, instead of that we are just going to take the character. Okay, let's check whether the character is going to suit here or not. I mean, we can directly write the character. I don't know whether we can write the character here to check its array. Okay, let's try it out. You mean C minus A. Okay, I'll explain. If it works, I'll explain you. Okay. Yeah, okay. It is working on the case 5, so still we have the chance of getting error. So what I have did means C means character. Okay, so this character will be, if it is A, it will minus with the character A. It means it has some ASCII value, so both will get minus, and if it is A minus A will be 0. Okay, and if I did Z minus A, then we will have the remaining as 25, because you think, I mean, take like this. We have the number A as 1 and Z as 26. Okay, we are I mean, we are minusing it like 1 minus 26, we are getting like 25. Okay, so the array will be like a distance of 25 will be Z, so it is checking. Okay, Okay, let's submit and see whether it's working or not. Okay. Oh yeah, we got, but what's the problem in here? We are getting the runtime of 4 ms, but most of them have 0 ms and 1 ms of runtime. So let's check what they have done and what mistake. I mean, what code we can do to become that kind of 1 ms or 0 ms of runtime. Okay. Mostly, what they have done means, see, they have also done like this. So set all positions. Okay, they were using some kind of different things like arrays dot fill. They're filling a character, sorry, filling a character array, no, integer array with -1. Okay, if it is not -1, they are making something. Okay. Okay, this code seems to be very nice. We also have to do like this. Okay, so we should learn from these kind of codes. So if you are solving any kind of sum, so you have to go through this. Okay, what they have done better to do. See, each and everyone will get different logic, and we should solve according to that. So if you solve in any kind of different logic, you can share me in the comments, and I too will learn from you. Okay guys, okay, you just check out these solutions. Okay, these are like, okay, if you see like step by step, you can understand that. Okay, if you can't understand my code, you can ask me that, I too will explain you. Okay, so okay, that's all. We have got a streak of 2 days, I think so, and we are going to continue it, okay, until we get a job. Okay, that's all good. Okay, thank you guys. Let's see tomorrow with another easy problems with the topic of array and strings. Okay, bye.